Introducing SUNON's innovative ventilation solutions, designed to keep you cool and comfortable. Meet the SUNON Portable HVLS fan. It's designed for easy mobility and powerful airflow. Generating 1,500 cubic meters of airflow per minute, it effectively cools large spaces. With a high-efficiency BLDC motor and IP55 rating, it operates quietly, saves energy, and is durable in various environments. Next, let's explore the SUNON Pivot Fan, perfect for crowded floors and low ceilings. Its versatile design allows for both ceiling and wall installation, providing better ventilation and comfort. With a powerful BLDC motor, it delivers 1,137 cubic meters of airflow per minute, reaching up to 25 meters. Energy efficient and quiet, the SUNON HVLS Pivot Fan features IP55 rating, universal voltage, and flexible control modes. Experience superior performance and comfort with SUNON's Pivot and Portable HVLS fans. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.